On 8th of January, Conservation and Economic Importance of Bamboos and Awareness Program on Advanced Cooking Stove was organized by Holistic Life Transforming and Empowering Community at Chandra Ingti Village under Upper Deopani region. Holistic Life Transforming and Empowering Community, in short HLTEC NGO, initiated an awareness program on cooking stove and economic importance of bamboo plant with the general public of Chandra Ingti village and its adjoining villages. Sachin Anpat, Senior Manager of Infinite Solution, Indore, while demonstrating the project informed that at normal stove, the rate of carbon emissions produced is very high as compared to the advanced cooking stove developed by them. The production of carbon emission is extremely reduced, which ultimately is safer, healthier and easier for cooking.
खांसी होना, आंखें जलना, तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को कम करने के लिए हम एक इम्प्रूव्ड कुक स्टोव लेके आए हैं जो कि खुद स्टेनलेस स्टील का बना हुआ है, जिसकी लाइफ रहती है। ये लकड़ी तो साथ ही साथ कम काटता है, साथ ही धुआं कम करता है। दो चीज़ों पे हम इसका एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
Sotkiri Terang, activist of HLTEC NGO, while speaking to us informed that awareness over the economic importance of bamboos and the knowledge of carbon credits were thoroughly discussed with the general public of the region.
A project komentu si kacheng ponji man at the earliest laso aning kan sinitum cheng ponji pusi nilitum dak ake hoitum aprek infinite solution pen angchatong dun puni pen indoor pen do alang litum pensinilitum collaboration on lasi laso aning kan nilitum cheng ponji pusi litum ning chathelo.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokela for Karbiang Long Life.